Greetings. Today I'm going to do something fun. We're going to drop test this Microsoft Surface Pro X. Let's see, we're going to go about, how far should we drop it from? Four feet? 5 feet? Let's see. If I was standing, average height that I would be holding this device, maybe about 4 foot. So we'll do a 4 foot drop test. We'll do 4 foot. How about that? 4 foot drop test. You ready? 4 foot drop test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that one dropped on the face. Let's see if we got any cracks in. Got some new cracks all over them. Got some cracks here. There was a small crack here before on the top corner. Now it just completely opened up. Let's see if this time we can drop it and let it fall on the back or one of the corners as opposed to flat on the face. Now this one has no screen protection, no case obviously. So here we go, another 4 foot drop test. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Still works great. Everywhere still seems to be responding to my fingers. Well, thanks for watching. We didn't seem to break it fully. It'd still be functional, but the durability of it in general in terms of the internals seems to be holding up. Cortana, you still there? Cortana?
I can learn to understand you much better if I can get familiar with the way you talk.
Hey,
I need
listen.
your permission to help.
So after a drop test, still seems to be working. Full functionality, just really broken screen. 3, 2, 1.